So here's what I'm thinking. I better make a video. uh, I'm winterizing my stock tank pool, and I'm reading forums, and other people, what they do when they live in the northern United States. And they're saying, empty the stock tank pool out and flip it over. I'm not doing that. Let me show you what I'm doing. Ugh, before I get too comfortable in the hammock, So, here we are, end of October, and I made a lid for my stock tank pool. And I didn't empty the water. Here, let me show you. I did not empty this. You see, I did empty it a little bit so it's not sitting up on the sides, If it freezes, it will expand a little bit. I'll have room to do that. I did put 3 chlorine tablets in the little floater there. And I didn't completely clean out the pool. I got out enough. As far as I'm concerned, that's enough. And this is the way I'm going to leave it this winter. Now I did, before I shut that, you see the plug. I put a plug in there and completely drained the pipes. I have a shop vac that I can convert it to blow and not suck. And I blew out that pipe, blew out all the water and closed it up. And I drained the pump, and I drained the sound filter, and I even drained the return. The return is disconnected and completely drained. So that's my intent right there. And we're gonna see. We're gonna see if that works or not. I'll have to come back next year with a second video and let you all know if it made it through winter. Now, my reasoning of thinking on this is pretty simple. I have plastic ice cube trays from the late 80s that have never broke. And they froze millions of times, I mean, isn't that all that is a plastic ice cube tray in the end? We're gonna find out. So here's the first part of winterizing a stock tank pool. Stay tuned for part 2, and we'll see how it goes at the end of winter. Hey, thanks for watching. Take it easy.